Aaron has attacked up Box Hill. Dan's trying to close down Aaron. Has Aaron attacked too early? We'll find out later. Matthew goes. He attacks hard and bandits his compatriots. Will he manage to bridge across? We shall see. The two are working well together. Looks like they might bring back Matthew. Woo! So buddy, John was looking for marginal gains there. He's hot on the wheels of Aaron. Oh, now Matthew's surpassed Aaron now. Oh, this is incredible. Oh, no, it's not Aaron. Oh my God, it's Paul. Oh,
yeah. Can you grab one on this one?
And forget about your wahala. No condition be permanent. So brother, don't do yawa yawa. Dance for me, dance my baby. Dance for me, dance my. Wine for me, wine my baby. Wine for me, wine my. Smile for me, smile my baby. Smile for me, smile my. Sing for me, sing my baby. Sing for me, sing my. Make it dance to them.
ooh.
Yes, sir.
Well, AJ, it was good. Yeah. Hey, what up, big man? How you doing, Paul? Good to see you, man. I'm good, buddy. You good? Fantastic, fantastic. What up, Dubsy? You good? Woo! Here comes the champ. Champ. What's that, champ?
Let's go, champ.
Let's go, champ. How you doing? Good to see you, man. You good? Yeah, fantastic. Good to see you. How did Doc? You alright? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh my goodness.
How's the
who's
holiday,
this?
man?
Brilliant.
Manny.
Hey.
How you doing? You alright?
I ain't seen you in a long
I
time.
know, it's been a while, man. It's been a while.
Jomo, Doc, you know.
Got to missing considerate sometimes.
Yeah. That's good. Already got punches here? Well, at least it's better than me. I'll go on the way here. Yeah. That's good, brother. You good? Good.
Melvin's on his way.
Hey. Well, actually, thank you. Hey, see you in a while.
How's your holiday?
Oh, man.
I see you having done fun in there.
You know what it is, yeah? I saw Doc out in Miami and I was like, man, I got
that,
stuck
Miami
out. No, I was in the Maldives.
Yeah, it looked awesome, man, ain't it?
Freaking hell, man, it's paradise,
You're going to be
man.
able to do this today then, after all that holiday, because you
You
must
know
have
what?
eaten a lot.
I am smashed.
Because I was just
Listen.
coming out thinking, oh, man. And you came back.
Listen,
When did you get back?
I've not really ridden my bike for like 6 weeks.
No, I understand that, because I saw you having fun in some
Yeah,
place.
Aaron is trying to tempt me to racing. I'm just like, no, it's not gonna happen.
B-R-I-X-T-O-N, you done know.
Squad. Hey, what up, Melvin? Man like that.
Yes, sir.
Man like that. That's good, you alright? Good to see you, G.
So what? Who's the ones to like slow the pack down?
It definitely ain't me. I'll tell you about yourself. You alright? Good to see ya. What's up, bro? Good to see you, man. BCN, can a few go with Simon, please?
Man, you don't wanna go there. There's yardies with Guinnesses and women with gold hair and tugs with guns and knives that come out of nowhere. But that's a bunch of rubbish. A silly
All right,
mistake
Aaron.
to which hardly anyone can
In your own time.
Get killed over silly debates, but that's mostly mainly maintained within the estates.
All right, ready to roll?
Offering help and giving us aid, you wanna point with your fingers, give us the blame. But in this book of life, I ain't on your privileged page. So look me in my eyes, tell me if you really relate. The seeds can't thrive, cause the police don't fend for the youths in B-R-I-X-T-O-N. You done know, Brixton. Man, I took the system.
Aaron has attacked up Box Hill. He's getting hunted down by Jomo. Jomo is leaning on the man.
Lean on the man, lean on the man.
I'm sitting in. They're trying to bridge that gap. 3-man break. It's team pursuit right now. Whew. Oh, Aaron has tagged. He's attacked again. Damn! He's left Jomo. All right. Now Dan takes it up. Dan's trying to close down Aaron. Has Aaron attacked too early? We'll find out later. But now he's got a considerable gap. Bringing you live action from the race at Bradley Wiggins.
Hello, it's me, the man with a master plan, Bradley Wiggins here. Every man has to use his strength to the best of his ability. This isn't about getting to the dinner table tonight and going, God, you were strong today, and him, you know, feeling like top dog. It's not about that. It's about A to B.
Wait, I'm dying. I'm struggling to keep up here. Matthew goes. He attacks hard and bandits his compatriots. He's bridging up across to Dan. Oh, it looks like it's leaving Dan now. He's on a mission. He's on a mission to bring back Aaron. He's got about 20 seconds or less. Will he manage to bridge across? We shall see. So far he's doing a sterling job. Dan has dropped back. Jomo is going strong with Hugo. The two are working well together. Looks like they might bring back Matthew. Woo! So buddy, Jomo's looking for marginal gains there. Oh, almost touched the spectator. All about the marginal gains. Just don't do that to the car. And it's looking more and more likely that the two might work to bring back Matthew, who's hot on the wheels of Aaron. Oh, now Matthew's surpassed Aaron now. Oh, this is incredible. Oh, no, it's not Aaron. Oh my God, it's Paul. Oh, this race. Oh, Big B. Oh my goodness. Looks like Aaron has stayed away. Incredible. Oh. And Aaron. He stayed away. Oh. Congratulations, champ. How did it feel?
I'm a winner, innit? It felt good, man. I pushed myself.
Going up against all these hitters, they worked hard to try and bring you back, but they couldn't.
You guys let me win, innit?
Well,
See, it's not about fame, it's not about money, it's about perseverance.
so you two worked together so well, and you almost brought back Matthew at one point. Did you bring him back?
No, he won by he won.
Yeah. So Matthew finished second. Yeah, and you two, but fantastic effort though.
Nice.
Well done.
Racing up the hill there.
Well done.
Everyone always do.
You raced a very tactically astute race. You know, you sat on for quite a while, and then when you went, no one could match you.
Because I know when I come to that little corner.
Because I know my long range powers aren't too good.
Yeah.
So I've got to use my short range really tactically. So I know, okay, if I'm already halfway up the climb, it's less than 5 minutes.
Fantastic.
So I can just go above, beyond my 5-minute power.
Did at any point did you think that you could catch up with to Aaron and bring him back?
I did, and then I realised we're too close to the top, so I can't catch him in time.
All right.
Should've done a sprint.
Well done, buddy.
Thank you.
Say.
Off my jacket and you guys rode away. I'm just there with my hands on my back.
I said, let Aaron go.
Man, I noticed you did a lot of work to begin with.
I just I wasn't really
yeah.
going for it. I'm not really in the like
go for it.
You want-
mindset.
yeah.
The mindset,
If I
basically,
held Danny
to
on
go
the
hard
wheel,
Yeah.
I would have blown up.
and then sit there. So I was like, man.
Hey, how
Yeah.
you doing, man? Where's
And
Danny?
I saw you guys coming up behind me. I was
Yeah.
like, play in the middle.
Wine for me, wine my baby. Wine for me, wine my. Smile for me, smile my baby. Smile for me, smile my. Sing for me, sing my baby. Sing for me, sing my. When you fall, believe you go rise. Even when you lose, believe you go win. So brother, don't give up for this life. Hey, so sister, don't lose hope in this world. Hey. So don't cheat your brother, don't hate your sister, don't cheat your father in heaven. Then you go release your blessing. If you no marry, then you are 30 or 40. Make you no worry, cause Papa go give you some money. Everybody you know how we do. It's rough and smooth again. Ha, be the bash your brain. Then two on the beat, what's the three on the six, so ha. Enough respect to everybody where you hustle on the road. Rough and smooth, shooter of the future. We got your back.
Careful. Up, 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 up,
Love
up.
respect, man.
Up, 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 up. Thank you.